Nalipatak nga tagayam ti surat nilagay ko. My amazing wife. Woo! What does it mean when I say I love you? It means that I know the sweet things you do. It's thinking you're gorgeous, sexy, and smart. It's letting you know you still have my heart. It's thanks for your patience, friendship, and care. It's feeling at home as long as you're there. It's feeling so lucky to call you my wife. Loving you is the best part of my life. Aww. Merry Christmas. Couldn't have said it any better. Just perfect. Love, Ryan. Wow. Where's the Irish here? Why you don't put my name? Loves. You need to put my name. Who's this babe? Labs, put my name here. Pakilig-kiligak damdama sa baligayam nga wife na ito. Yeah, put my name. What if other wife? Come here. Sign here. Put it here. To ano?
Oh, I know what she's complaining about.
Babe. What if you have a babe, another babe? Come here.
Rico. What?
Put my name. You put your name there. Why not my name? Over here, Irish. Sign. Come on.
What?
Sign my name. Put Irish or shine. No,
Did you see how I did this one?
Irish.
Look at the eye.
Yeah, it's perfect.
No, look at the eye.
Ah, there's a heart.
My name.
Wow, perfect.
You're my wife.
But I want you to put Iris there. Iris. Oh, perfect. With heart. Very good.
You are so bad to me.
No, I am so very good. Thank you, my loves.
Whatever, baby.
I love you.
Oh, I love you too.
With love to my wife today, tomorrow, and always. As time gone by, the two of us have shared a lot of things. The comfort and companionship a happy marriage brings. A lot of hopes and dreams come true. And memories we hold dear. But most of all, the kind of love that deepens every year. Wow. Today, tomorrow, and always, I love you with all my heart. Merry Christmas. I love you forever, baby loves. I love you, my loves. Thanks for the love and care. Mwah, mwah, chup, chup.